This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your devices and data plan. This is important because compatibility prevents wasted effort. Once done, check that your phone or travel router supports hotspot sharing and pick an unlimited or high cap plan so you won't throttle. Make sure you have an unlocked device and a spare SIM or eSIM lined up for regional networks. From here, power on devices, update firmware, and enable mobile data so you can move straight into secure configuration and connection steps. Next, you configure security and bans so your connection is both fast and safe. First, set an SSID and a 12+ character WPA3 or WPA2 passphrase. This prevents unauthorized access. Then choose 4 GHz for range and 5 GHz for speed, and enable a guest network for strangers. Make sure to enable a router or device VPN to protect data. Run a speed and latency test to confirm performance. Once those settings are saved, you can move to multi-SIM and roaming tactics. Finally, you expand coverage and prepare for fixes so Wi-Fi follows you everywhere. Use multi-SIM setups, local eSIMs, or a dedicated portable hotspot to switch carriers quickly. Add mesh nodes or Wi-Fi 6 repeaters in large areas to eliminate dead zones. Make sure roaming settings are enabled and data caps tracked. If things go wrong, reboot modem and router, verify APN and carrier provisioning, or swap the SIM. This one troubleshooting trick resolves most connectivity issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.